Dear Heavenly Father, there's just some really heavy situations here. A lot of suffering, a lot of physical need, there's a lot of injuries and pain.
Samaritan's Purse is in Naypyidaw, Myanmar, and we're here because a massive earthquake struck. As soon as that happened, the Samaritan's Purse disaster teams immediately mobilized. We were able to bring in 6 of our fresh spring systems to be able to get water going into communities. They can provide drinking water for over 10,000 people in a community in a day. Across central Myanmar, people, they've had to seek refuge. They need shelter items. We have a basic kit so that you're not exposed to the elements. Tarps, we've got blankets, and we've got solar lanterns as well.
During the
earthquake, many people were injured. Lots of broken bones, buildings collapsing on top of families. People who were trapped in the rubble, they needed surgeries. So right away we started with our mobile surgical team. That's our quick action ability to be able to start doing those surgeries. And then immediately we were setting up the field hospital at the same time.
Makes me feel honored to be here after an earthquake, that they would trust us with their stories and their bodies and their lives. That's just an awesome opportunity to share Jesus with these people and let them know that they're not alone.
The earthquake caused incredible devastation across central Myanmar, and it's going to take a long time to recover. Our hope is that we can meet these immediate needs right now and be there for them. As Christians, loving them in this moment is incredible.